What's up, guys? Sorry I forgot to film an intro for this video, so it might be kind of boring. But we are out here hog hunting in Trinity. I don't know, something like that, like somewhere close to the Trinity River up here in San Jacinto County, Texas. My buddy's grandpa has a big piece of property up here, and it sits one property away from their huge 2,300 acre deer lease. And so we came up, hung out, ate some dinner with his grandpa, and then we came out here and we are gonna see if we can get a hog tonight. I've been out here once before. I didn't film anything at all, but I didn't see anything. The hogs came 1 or 2 feeders down rather than the one we were sitting on. And then for several months they went really inconsistent. They weren't really showing up. But now they're back, and it's been 105 the last 2 weeks in Texas, but we got some rain rolling through the area this last week, and so it's only like 89 out here today, so we decided to come out and get into the stands and see if we could get something. So I'll check back in with you in a little bit. So as you can see here, these are my views. I got 2 feeders, and then the trail to come in over there. That feeder over there on the side, that one, the blue one, went off as I was walking in. The one in front of me should go off in about 10 minutes or so. And according to the trail cameras, the pigs haven't been showing up until about 7:30. It's about 6:10 right now. So we've got a little while, but we wanted to get in early and get settled in. You never know when they're going to show up 15 minutes early. So that is what we're up to right now. And I guess y'all will get to see when something happens, but it's so peaceful out here. It's so beautiful. Birds chirping. It's such a nice night in Texas. I just heard a gunshot off in the distance. I think it might have been Gavin. So far I haven't seen anything other than squirrels running around having a good time, but fingers crossed that was Gavin. Hopefully he got himself one. It's about 7:40, so the action for me is for this spot is about 7:30 to 8:30, so hopefully since today's a nice clear sunny day, maybe they'll show up a little closer to dark, so maybe around that 8:30 time. sent me the clip of him shooting his hog, so I'll add that in there. I guess we'll see you on the next hunt. Alright, so I literally called to have him come pick me up, and I just heard pigs in the distance, so we're going to sit and wait a little bit longer to see what happens. Well, y'all, nothing tonight, but we're going to go see Gavin's pig. I'm walking back from the stand right now. It's still a little bit daylight out here, but it's dark enough that when you're back in the pines over there, you can't see down to the feeder anymore, so I'm heading back up. The buggy's right up there. They're waiting on me, so I will see y'all back at the house, and we'll take a look at Gavin's hog. Yeah, he did. He sent me the video of it getting shot. And then he sent me a picture of it laying under the feeder. Ooh, buddy.
Got the bike strap out yet? No. What the hell have you been doing?
Getting through this tough ass skin.
Been talking on the phone?
My phone's over there.
What you think about that one, Gavin?
Good shot, that's all it was.
Oh, yeah.
Another one down.
Another one down.
That's poison ivy.
Hey, what was you doing when you shot the dang thing?
I was definitely watching a movie. I ain't gonna lie.
What were you watching?
It was Step Bros. Step Brothers.
Oh man, he's out here watching Step Brothers. Shorts, hey dudes, regular shirt,
That's a good tusk on it.
just out here. I'm camoed up, quiet as can be, and I see nothing. Look at them tusks on